Hello friends and welcome back to my channel hashtag Foodfundas. Today I'm going to show you a very interesting snack of Maharashtra called as aloo. Now aloo is made with colocasia leaves or it is also called as arbi ke patte. Now these leaves come out from the taro root. These leaves are highly rich in carbohydrates, proteins, and dietary minerals. They also have minerals including iron, copper, magnesium, potassium, and zinc. Aloo vadi is the most famous snack of Maharashtra. Little difficult to make, but very tempting. It is also called as padra in Gujarat. So let's start making this aloo vadi. These are the ingredients. Now here in the ingredients I have taken around 2 cups of besan, that is gram flour, in which I have added around 2 tablespoons of rice flour to make your vadi crispy. Next I am going to add is til seeds, ajwain and sauf, that is fennel seeds. In powder masalas we are going to add around 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, turmeric and coriander powder. We are also going to add some hing and some oil to make it more tasty. Now in this I am going to add some tamarind pulp and jaggery, which will give you nice sweetness and sourness to your vadi. So these are the colocasia leaves or arbi ke patte which I am going to use to make aloo vadi. Now here I have got little big ones. So you can also get small leaves in the market. Now the most important thing over here is you have to clean the veins of the leaves so that it becomes very easy to roll them. Now next let's start with the making of the batter or the stuffing which we are going to apply on the leaves. Now I have added all the powder or the dry masalas in the besan or the gram flour. I'm going to add around 1 tablespoon of oil into it. Then I'm going to add salt for seasoning and some hing powder in it. Now next we are going to add jaggery and we are going to make some pulp of tamarind, which is going to give you good sourness and sweetness to your aloo vadi. Do not add too much water because we want to make a nice smooth and thick batter of the besan. So kindly add the water slowly. So a thick and smooth batter of the besan is ready to be applied on the leaves. Now here I have cut the leaves into 2 or 3 parts because the leaves are very big. Now I am going to start applying the batter or the paste which we have made. Now here you have to see that while applying the batter on the leaves, you have to keep the green side at the bottom and apply the paste on the opposite side of the leaf. See the method the way I am doing in the video. Now keep on applying the paste and keep on putting another leaf on one above the other and make layers out of it. Now it is very good to take only 4 to 5 leaves for one roll, otherwise your roll will become very thick. Your aloo vadi has to be nice and crispy. You should get the flavor of the leaves and the batter as well. So here I have almost finished applying the paste and putting the leaves one above the other. Now this is the last leaf which I am putting. Now you have to see that the leaves are nicely coated with the batter so that you get the most flavor into the leaves. So now we have almost finished applying the paste to the leaves. Now we are going to roll the leaves gently. Now I am sealing all the ends of it. You can see I am folding the leaves from the side so that they do not open. Now the batter is going to act as a sealer to the leaves. Now gently fold everything and apply the batter so that the leaves do not come out, and you have to slowly roll them into a tight roll. If you feel that the roll is opening, you can use a thread to tie it so that the roll remains intact and your aloo vadi will take its good shape. So your aloo vadi roll is almost ready to go for steaming. We are going to steam it for around 15 to 20 minutes in a steamer. Now here you can see that the steamed aloo vadi roll is ready to be cut into medium thick slices. Now it is very much advisable that you please cool the aloo vadi roll first and then cut it into pieces. Otherwise the aloo vadi will break and you will not get the proper shape. If you feel that it is not getting cut after cooling also, kindly refrigerate it for some time. Now here I have already heated the pan to shallow fry the aloo vadi. You can also deep fry the aloo vadi to make it more crispy, but I am going to shallow fry it till golden brown in color from both the sides. So the popular snack of Maharashtra, aloo vadi, is ready to be served. You can see the flakiness which we have got with the leaves and the batter which we have applied inside. I definitely know that you're going to try this recipe for your loved ones. Happy cooking and happy eating. Thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe #foodfundas.